guys, so I hope that all of you are doing great. You are going to get this 127 snapshot sets that includes like the premium snapshots like the coaching snapshot, community snapshot, the real estate snapshot, the plumbing snapshot. As you can see over here, the giant list is there. Home security system, vehicle wrapping, pest control, real estate, dog walker, carpet cleaning, video production. I mean, you just name it, and all of them have been thoroughly done. And of course, the coaching and the communities I just mentioned is already being added into the list lately. Just to give you a glimpse, like even on the website, you will be able to see how the workflow of the snapshots are built, like few of the example videos onto the website we have given. Like if you scroll it down here, you can play these videos: a mortgage snapshot, the plumber snapshot, just to get the idea how these snapshots are. And just to quickly show you, let's say this is one of the coaching snapshot, and I have basically opened it. This is a website of the available with this snapshot, and of course the workflow is already there. So even the website is like thoroughly built. All these things, you want to add certain thing. I mean, you can just use all the pages that you want. Some of the pages you want to skip. Let me just preview it. So this is like the coaching make your business dreams reality. So all of this is like thoroughly done, and you would really love it. Now let me tell you, these premium snapshot, like if you try to find out, they charge you thousands of dollars. Some of them are charging $2,997, and here we are talking 127 snapshot list. So what you have to do to get this exclusive list. And before we move on, I just wanted to quickly tell you, like, I am Abdullah Zahid. I have been independent affiliate of Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. I've been writing the blog articles, like hundreds of blog articles 4 years back from that time. And from that time, Gohighlevel has grown exponentially to another level. I've done interviews with the CEO of the Gohighlevel, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people. They are building one of the best solutions. That's why I'm active promoter of this software. Of course, you would have seen the free thing, right? And yes, it's not a clickbait. So the website where you get it, like where I have compiled it, is abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'm going to list it onto my screen, and over here you have 4 ways, and in fact 5 ways to get it. Like the first way, or the second way, or the third way, whichever way that you prefer. So what is the first way? Like over here, as you can see, snapshot is just one of the thing. The other things also you're going to get one-to-one personal support. This is like one of the testimonial from one of my affiliate clients. So all you have to do, number one thing, the first and the foremost thing that you would want to do is just sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link. This is our link, right? You just click onto it and sign up, and just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com that hey, we are done it. And even the phone number, my phone WhatsApp number, or the email address is given onto this website itself. Now let's say you have already signed up, you can't sign up anymore. What is the other option? The next option is you upgrade from your $97 plan to $297 plan, clicking on this link. Just click on this link, enter your details. The affiliate reference will already be pre-populated by clicking on this link. After you enter your details, that's it. Click submit. You'll be upgraded to $297 plan, and we are going to ensure that you get the bonus, like the entire set bonus sets. And the third option is you can upgrade to $497 plan. This could be like either you are on a $297 or $97 plan, either of the plan you are on. If you just upgrade to this $497 plan, clicking on this link, entering your details, and let the affiliate reference, which is pre-populated as it is, click submit, and that's it. You are eligible for all the snapshots as well as these bonuses, which I just, like, as you can see, there are further many more bonuses. So the personal assistant, if you want, like, we are going to assign to you to do a lot of work for you, even the testimonials that you can see. So here are the 3 ways already done. Now I have even introduced the fourth way, which is like much more easier. I'm sure you guys cannot, like, and you don't even have to pay all these 3 things. You don't have to pay a penny extra, right? So it's free, technically free, all the snapshot and the bonuses. As you can see, this is the fourth way. We are giving this snapshot bonus to anyone who upgrades their AI employee. Like, just enter the referral code, AI bonuses there, and that's it. Send us the screenshot at abdullah@abdullahzai.com or WhatsApp me. I'm going to verify it and immediately release to you the bonuses. How do you enter it? Just, this is your screen. You go to the settings. Okay, this is, I mean, you have to go to the agency view. I was on the sub account view. Go to the agency view, click on settings, click on AI employee. And by the way, let me just tell you guys, like I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years, like more than 4 years, 4.5 years. And like I've been independent affiliate for them. I've been writing blog articles, hundreds and hundreds of blog articles. I've done interviews of the CEO and the co-founder of Gohighlevel, and the second co-founder also, Varun Veravan. Amazing people these are, and really believe in this company. The kind of value that they are giving to the customers and the agencies literally makes me go full time with these people, and literally I'm working full time as to promote it, and that's why like I've hired people to provide you the best of the bonuses out there. Having said that, okay, here as you can see the settings, this is the AI employee as you go there, and this is the fourth way how do you get the bonus. Click on manage your offer, and you just enter FP reference is equal to AI bonuses, AIBONUSES, and click on apply. The moment you click on apply, now you are eligible. You are not charged anything. See, when you use it in the future, then like it's profit. Super amazing thing that they have developed AI employee and stuff. But right now, you can just enter this referral code and that's it. It doesn't matter, like it is not charging you anything just to enter the referral code. And we are going to deliver you the entire 127 snapshot set, including all the premium ones that is available with me. Now, let's say all these four ways you have already exhausted and you cannot do it right now. Then the last option I've given onto the website itself, you just scroll down to the bottom, and this is just to get the snapshot. As you can see, these are the interviews. Like you want to watch the interviews of me with Sean Clark and Varun Veravan, and you can watch. Again, the website link is abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. And here, scrolling to the bottom, you can purchase the 127 snapshot. These are worth 14,586, but I'm giving just one time cost for the lifetime, $347 only. You can download it right after the purchase. This is either you enter your debit or credit card or via the PayPal. The moment you make the payment, you will be able to download the, like behind the paywall, you will be able to download the exclusive snapshot set. Any questions, you can just WhatsApp me here or email me here. I will be available to reply to you. I wish you guys all the best, guys. So just to summarize, like you are going to get the entire 127 snapshot set, 5 ways, like not just a snapshot. The first 3 ways, you are even going to get the complete like one-to-one personal support. So the first way is you sign up for the 30-day free trial. The second way, you upgrade to the $297 plan by this, by using this link, right? And the second way, like upgrading by using this link, and then third way, upgrading to $497 plan using this link. Click this link and just enter your details. The fourth way, just go to the AI employee and manager offer, like from the settings, AI employee manager offer, and enter our referral link and click apply. AI bonuses and click apply. And that's it. You just have to send us the screenshot. We are going to send you the snapshot. With the AI bonuses, like there is some different bonus that we are offering. Let's say in the future that you use the AI employee and you land up your first client, then the onboarding of that first client will be on us. You just email us and we are going to assign one-to-one Gohighlevel expert who's going to do the onboarding for you. So you don't have to learn AI employee, and even we are going to give you the white label course of the AI employee that we are building. So these are the 4 ways. And then the fifth way is you can just directly purchase from the website itself. Just scroll to the bottom and you can just purchase it right away. You'll be able to download it. You want to watch the other interviews of Sean Clark and people, and you want to watch like how the snapshots are built, like some of the demo videos of some of the snapshots are there, the workflow, the website funnels and everything. So that's it, guys. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.